Hello, today my adapters finally came and I received it, so I will remove it and I'm going to present it. This is something like this. You can see. And if I will push it, you can see it's this way and slowly this way. So it works this way. Right, like that. Very simple thing. So I will put it on my deck, and now we'll switch to my second camera. And here we have an old Herz radiator thermostat, and I will remove the thermostat, and then we will do the job properly. In a second, go slowly. Okay. Now I will use my hand, and I removed it. So yes, and this is the 28 millimeters diameter. So now I will use this and will mount it like that. Okay, it's mounted, working. So now I will mount this. But before I will do the whole setup, I will perform a reset. So let's switch back to this camera, and how to reset this. Quite simple. Remove this cover, right? And here you have the middle button, this one. So you need to press it and hold it, and then put your batteries into the slot. So I'm going to put batteries now. One, and then the second. There we go, just like that. And now I will put my cover, and you can see I'm holding all the time the button. Now you should see there is a reset. It's difficult. Reset is on the LCD RES, right? And now the middle button is blinking, so you need to just press it once, and now it should change to I and C. Lovely. I and C is displayed. So now I will switch to this camera, and I'm just going to mount it. And okay, now it's mounted, and you can see the button is blinking. I'm going to present it in a moment. Go. So you need to press it and wait. Now I will go back to my second camera, and what you need to do, you should turn on the browser and log into the Home Assistant, and I will open it now. Here we go. Something like this. We have a panel. So we go to settings, we go to device services, and go to Z-Wave. And here I have 3 devices. You can see I have a USB stick and 2 thermostats. So I'm going to add one more and add a device. So add it and wait. Now it should work. Now you can see the device is added. So close it. And we have this without the area. So click on this name and we have a temperature here. So one simple thing, it's good to understand that you need to always, before you unmount it, always set to 5, to the highest number, or 6, just because you need to open the valve, right? And then you disconnect it, and then you connect the thermostat. Okay, so the thermostat is now connected, and we can change the name. So let's change it. We will call it thermostat. In Polish language, it will be the office. Area is my no corridor, kitchen, saloon, bedroom, add new area, and we will call it office, like this, and add it and set it like that, and yeah, rename it. And the next step is to click on +2 entities not shown and click on alarm level and enable it here. So click, then OK, then update. The same for alarm type. Here, enable, OK, and update. The same here, 8 entities not shown. So click here, LCD timeout, and do this for all those section temperature offset, etc., etc. Okay, so I will proceed. For now, currently, there is no response from this. So if you will click those 3 dots here and click re-interview, you will see the process and status, node info, and it will gather all the information from the device. Okay, I will close this dialog because it's written there that you can close the dialog and the interview will continue in the background. So close it. And now you can see we have values that you cannot control it now, but you can have all those things that and they are enabled. So we'll go back to overview and we can see I have already thermostat bedroom, thermostat saloon, and now I will add one more tab actually here, one more dashboard for my office. So edit dashboard, the 3 dots, and now you can click here at view and it will be, let's call it office. In Polish it will be bureau, and icon radiator, something like this. Yeah, nice. And eventually you can change it if you wish to. We can call it radiator just like this. The radiator, so we can choose disabled. Yeah, this one is fine. And the name we can choose iOS dark mode if you want to. Manually default. It's you can use sidebar if you wish to panel one card. Doesn't matter. Also badges. You can see if you want, you can add entities visibility, but I will just leave it as it is and I will just set it like this. Save. Now move it like here and hit done. So we have a bedroom, saloon, and now we have a dashboard for our office. So go back to settings, go to devices. Now click for devices. Now it shows that the model is unknown and for some reason I don't know why. So you can also rebuild routes here. And yeah, and then just close it and it will do the job. Now you can see you have all three connected, and this one is the office. So now everything is up and working. It's good to go to overview, and here you will see thermostat office. So I will remove them once again, and just because edit dashboard, and we'll re-add them once again. Delete. Okay, done, and go to settings one more time. For devices, select the proper device. So in my case, it will be this one. And now add to the dashboard. And this one, office, added. Then sensors, add to the dashboard. Office, next, add to dashboard. Configuration, add to dashboard. Office, next, add to dashboard. And diagnostic, add to dashboard. Select office, next, and add to dashboard. Go to overview, and you can see some of them are located here for some reason, and I don't know why, and some of them are here. So we have the temperature, we have this and this, and you can see I have this here, and I have a thermostat saloon, so I have those options here, and those are fine. And so this is okay, like here, but this one is missing. So how to proceed? And because this one already is added, so click three dots, edit dashboard, and this one you can remove it. And eventually this one you can try to click three dots and choose to move to view and select the viewer. And if it will not move, so something like this, and it will not appear here, so you can try to do something else. Instead of this, click three dots and choose duplicate, save, and now we have two, and with the highest number 10, this is the position actually. Choose the one with the higher number, click three dots and click move to view and click office and move. Now go to office, and here we go. We have a thermostat office, so we have all those files here. Lovely. So go back to home and delete this one, just like that. And now we solved the problem. So all three are working correct. So this is the bedroom, this is the saloon, and this is the office. So click done, and that's all. And now you can control the valve. So if you want to, you have that option, you can turn it off or turn it on. If you want to, so you can set the value, and that is all. And you can see for some reason this device is unavailable, and I don't know why. So go back to settings, go to the devices and click here, and it should be available here, but you can see there is a status for the battery, and for some reason you cannot see what is the status of the device. And try to click re-interview, start re-interview. So this is the best option if you will lose the connectivity, and you can see protocol info, node info, so it gathers the information and it tries to connect to the dongle that is connected to my computer with Proxmox. So now we can wait a little bit longer because we need to be sure that everything is up and working as expected. And if you will close it, you can see the controls. Some of those information are unavailable and some of them are available. You can see the status of node. Node is dead. So this is the reason, and just like this. And sometimes I suppose if I will close the door, there will be a problem with connectivity Probably there's a problem with the dongle, and I don't know why it doesn't work as expected, because it should, and in my saloon it's working as expected, and in my bedroom, but in the office, maybe it's, now you can see it's unavailable. So we can try to remove failed, remove the device removal in progress. And what you can try to do is just to unplug batteries from the device. And for some reason there is a problem with the device. And so, yeah, I'm just going to present it, and I will switch to broadcam. And now what you need to do exactly the way. You need to remove battery for a moment, and only one, but like this. Now go back to your browser and try to remove fail. And we will see, will it be removed or not. Now it's removed. Lovely. So we have only 2 thermostats, and we can perform one more time a reset. Hold the middle button, put batteries into, like that. Hold it. Now we have a res on the LCD. Press once, DEF, wait, INC, press, and now go back to browser and click add the device here. And I doubt it will work. So the best option is to go to settings and devices and services, click on Z-Wave, click on configure, and now add the device here. And searching for devices. This option always works. Now it's looking for the device. And you can see they are visible here, and we have a battery status here. So all of them are working as expected. Okay, I think that's enough, and I will then just try to figure out what is going on there and how to work with this thermostat. It seems it's working. Sometimes there are problems with this, as you can see. So you will try to figure it out the same way as I did, by trying adding the device, re-adding it, or eventually changing those values to reinitialize or restart the add-on, and it should work. And yeah, and there is really important information that the dongle should have visibility to all those thermostats, and you will be able to work with them only if there is a nice visibility. So sometimes if you will close the door, you will shut the door, there will be a problem, and the connectivity will be lost just like that. So this is something that you need to take care and reconsider, where there is a computer that controls the whole thermostats. And it's good to think about it and find the central place at your home. And you know, the computer should be outside the box, not inside the, for example, box inside the rack, because if you will close the rack, we'll close the door from the rack, there should be a problem with the connectivity, because also there will be a signal will be close inside the box, inside the rack. And this is something that is crucial. And that is why, for example, I took my Esprimo Q 920 and put it on the top of my rack, and that's the reason. And then I was able to have a connectivity with my thermostat, for example, and this is something that is worth to mention. And that sometimes the reason, because if you will close a device with dongle in a box, there can be a problem with connectivity. So yeah, this is something that I had to reconsider, and I had to think twice. Okay, why I lost the connectivity? Because there was a problem with the signal. So yeah, take care about it. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.